Hey everyone, welcome back to the Financial Bull channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about the recent news with Tesla and specifically Tesla stock. And as you know, they just recently announced their first stock split. In this video, I want to talk about this recent news about their first ever stock split as well as my thoughts. And before we get into this, I just want to ask you guys to subscribe if you would love to support this channel, and if you're at all interested in Tesla stock or the stock market and investing in general. But anyways, jumping right in, you guys may know that Tesla just recently announced their first ever stock split, and this recent stock split is a 5-to-1 stock split. So before getting into the video, I just want to quickly show you guys something that I just recently found about Tesla stock, and it kind of blew my mind. And it pretty much is a graph and the performance of Tesla stock and showing pretty much if you had invested $10,000 in Tesla stock about 10 years ago, which is August 12th, 2010, which is exactly 10 years ago, and what your $10,000 would equal if you had just left $10,000 in Tesla stock 10 years ago. And this is just incredible. If you had invested $10,000 into Tesla back then, right now your $10,000 would be about $780,000. Which is just mind-boggling to think. Imagine putting $10,000 of your hard-earned money into Tesla stock and watching it grow throughout the years. And just recently, I would say most of the gains were made in just the past year. But you'd be looking at a total return of about 7,700%. This just goes to show that it only really takes one good play and one good investment in a stock that you truly believe in a company that you see having not only a bright future, but increasing their revenue year after year, and just picking the right stock. So just wanted to put this out there as an encouragement and kind of like a goal of yours if you are looking to 10x or more your money in the future. And you can see that even though investing $10,000 back in Tesla's IPO and early years, that many would have been speculative and thinking that Tesla was a new company and might have not seen a future with them. But for anybody who did invest during that time, then they have reaped the benefits tremendously, and that could be seen by the stock price and the total return here. So just wanted to show you guys that. But anyways, jumping into Tesla stock, you guys can see that Tesla announced a 5-to-1 stock split, and that happened after hours yesterday. And once that announcement was made, Tesla just skyrocketed. It was trading around 1369 and pretty much jumped up well into the 1400s. And today you can see that Tesla continued rising, was well in the 1400s and surpassed 1500s and was trading in the mid 1500s, getting to a high of almost 1600, but then soon after, in the middle of the day, just trading pretty much sideways. And this is pretty much due to that announcement of the stock split. If you guys heard, Tesla is doing a 5-to-1. So pretty much if you own any shares of stock in Tesla, you'll be getting an additional 4 shares. So for every one stock currently, you'll have 4 more shares. After August 31st, I believe, is when the split will take effect. So, for instance, if you have Tesla stock at an average cost of $1,500, then you will have, after this split, 5 shares at a cost of $300 per share. And this is actually really great news for a lot of different reasons, and I wanted to jump into the different reasonings behind why this is not only great for Tesla, but for investors that are currently in Tesla stock, but also potential or future investors for Tesla stock as well. One of the main benefits, which is pretty clear, is the barrier to entry for Tesla stock now. So if you've been following Tesla stock for the past month, you know that it's been trading well above $1,000, and it reached that mark back in late June and got past $1,000 in early July and has been just trading over $1,000, $1,500 to $1,600 for the better part of July, and has yet to come down to the three-figure. So anyways, this is great for new investors. I know being able to cough up $1,500 for a share of Tesla stock might have been a little bit overwhelming, and with this split at $1,500 a share, you'll be looking at $300 per share for one share of Tesla stock after the split, which would be very enticing, especially for new, younger investors who don't have that much capital to invest. Another thing that's really great about this split is for people who already own Tesla stock as well. So right now, if someone owned a few shares of Tesla stock and say they wanted to sell just a portion of their position, then they would need to sell a whole share at around $1,500 to $1,600 a share. Whereas once the split happens, then they will in turn have 5 shares split amongst this $1,500 currently that Tesla's trading per share. So for example, if Tesla stock was say $1,500 per share and they wanted to sell say $300 of Tesla stock and still keep $1,200, right now they wouldn't be able to do that. But after the split, they can sell one share of Tesla at $300 and still keep $1,200 of Tesla stock, which would be 4 shares. And that's another benefit to investors who are currently in Tesla stock. And the other benefit to the split is liquidity. So once a stock split occurs, not just with Tesla, but in general, for any company, that usually is a sign that the stock is performing really well, as well as the company, and a huge increase in the stock price has occurred, which for Tesla, you guys can see that has clearly happened. Tesla has been consistently making new highs, and even though in the past month has been trading fairly sideways, Tesla stock reached a high of 1742-ish in mid-July. So I think Tesla is making this decision to split the stock so that they can get some new investors, and so they won't be too overwhelmed with the share price currently that Tesla is trading at. And so those are pretty much the benefits of a stock split, and I see Tesla continually to go up in price in these coming months, and especially long term. So if you know anything about ARK Invest, they're pretty much a fund, and they've been stating for the past few years that Tesla stock is going to go up significantly in price. I'm just here on their website, and you can see that they have a few cases for their 2024 price target for Tesla stock, and their expected value for Tesla stock by the year 2024 is about $7,000 per share. And just seeing this is huge, especially for anybody who's looking to invest in Tesla stock. It's a clear sign that Tesla's headed in the right direction. There's a lot of analysts that are very bullish on Tesla. I'm also quite bullish on Tesla. I think they're a great company. They have a lot of great things ahead of them. One thing that's really sold me on Tesla is their network of superchargers, which I think will be one of the factors that give them a leg up from their competitors and any other players who want to join the electric vehicle market. And I think that Tesla is just miles ahead of its other closest competitors. That's one of the reasons why I think that right now is a great opportunity to get into Tesla stock. Obviously, not financial advice, and you guys should always be doing your own due diligence and research, analyzing any stocks you're looking to trade and invest in. But I do believe that Tesla has a really high probability of easily getting close to the $7,000 mark. They do have a bear case, at least for ARK Invest, of 1,500, which is where Tesla is trading right about now, and they have a really extremely bullish case of $15,000 per share, and they have different probabilities of the share price hitting these targets, which the bear case is about 25%, as well as their extremely bull case. This is just something, you can take with a grain of salt, but I do see Tesla hitting at least 2,000, if not higher, which is what their median target is right now, even though they do have a median expected of 7,000. And this is probably due to the autonomous capabilities of their vehicles, which we can see that Tesla has been continuously improving their vehicles with their updates and their technology, as well as their battery technology, which brings me to the next big day for Tesla, which is their battery day. So on September 15th is when this battery day is slated for, and this is going to be a big day for Tesla. There are talks about them announcing a huge breakthrough in their battery technology. So I'm really excited to see what they're going to unveil at this battery day event, and I'm going to be looking at hopefully purchasing some shares. If you guys been following me, you know I like selling options, either selling cash secured puts or writing covered calls to earn weekly as well as monthly income. Right now, to be able to sell any cash secured puts or covered calls at the current market price of Tesla, you'll need about $150,000, which is just insane. I don't think a lot of people have that type of cash lying around to be able to sell cash secured puts or covered calls with Tesla. But when we do get the split and Tesla is trading around the $300 mark after the split, then not only selling options with Tesla will be more accessible to a lot more traders and investors, but even people who are buying options or Wall Street bets will be able to purchase options at a much cheaper price. So if we jump into the options chain for Tesla, you can see just buying a call that's a little bit out of the money. So at the $1,600 strike price, you would need about $1,635 to buy this option, which is very steep. And I'm anticipating Tesla options to be cut significantly. Since they are doing the 5-for-1 stock split, I'm expecting these options to be cut in 5 as well. So that will make the options a lot more cheaper and accessible for a lot more people. And I do know that Tesla stock is a very volatile stock, and so that's really great for people who are selling options. And if you are in that group, this is going to be a great opportunity for you to sell cash secured puts and also buy 100 shares of Tesla stock if you do have $30,000 right now, and sell covered calls. But anyways, just wanted to go over the news with Tesla's big announcement for their 5-to-1 stock split, and let you know why this is great news for Tesla, as well as the benefits that this will bring to not only Tesla, but as well as current and future Tesla investors. So if you did enjoy the video and you are looking to sell options or buy options with Tesla stock or invest in Tesla, feel free to give this video a like. If you would like to see more videos such as this and about investing in the stock market as well as trading and selling options, Please subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing out more videos just like this. So look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and peace out.